Hello friends, welcome to GK Erudite. Today we will discuss about the Indian national movement, and this video will cover a brief history beginning from formation of Indian National Congress to the achievement of independence of India. Before we begin, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification of all new updates. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. You also know that in 1985 the Indian National Congress was formed by A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume was a retired British civil servant. He organized the first ever meeting of Indian National Congress at Gokul Das Tezpal Sanskrit College on 28th December of 1885. From 1885 to 1905, the Indian National Congress was in a moderate phase, but from 1905 it was changed to extremist phase due to growing of exploitative character of the British rule. In 1905, the Viceroy Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal, which was based on a communal majority. So it proclaimed an anti-partition movement in all over Bengal. Wait. In 1904, Indian Official Secret Act was introduced. Can anyone know about it? If you know or want to know, please comment about it. Now, Swadeshi movement was started in 1906. Next, Surat split. The Indian National Congress was split into two groups. Indian Council Act 1909, which introduced a separate election for Muslim and allow one Indian to be in Viceroy's Executive Council. Satyendra Sinha was the first person to be appointed in Viceroy's Executive Office. Then Ghadar Party. It was formed in 1913. Here there are some important leaders of the party. Next, Kamagata Maru incident. Kamagata Maru is a Japanese steamship on which a group of people from British India attempted to migrate to Canada, but most of them were denied to entry and forced to return Kolkata. The ship docked at Burj in Kolkata, where the Britishers misconsidered them as dangerous political agitators, and police opened fire them, where 19 passengers were died in that incident. Then in 1915, Gandhi returned from South Africa, and Home Rule movement was started in 1916 by Annie Besant and Tilak. Also in 1916, the two wings of the Congress were reunited. Then Montagu Declaration and Champaran Satyagraha took place by Gandhi to look into the problem of indigo farmers. Then Ahmedabad mill strike was the first hunger strike, and Kheda Satyagraha was the first non-cooperation movement. In 1919, Rowlatt Act was implemented. This act empowered the government to imprison any person without trial and conviction by the court of law for 2 years. Next, Khilafat movement and Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place on 13th April of 1919. These incidents led the people of India to non-cooperate with British. In 1927, Simon Commission arrases India, which was protested everywhere with slogan Simon go back. Next, Nehru report, then Jinnah's 14 point, and in Lahore session, Congress adopted 26th January 1930 as Purna Swaraj Divas. Also, INC announced a civil disobedient movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, which resulted with Gandhi Urine Pact in 1931, which gave the right to make salt. Next, Pune Pact, which led to form All India Anti-Untouchability League, and Gandhi coined the word Harijan. You all should remember that the first Roundtable Conference was held in 1930. Then second Roundtable Conference was held in 1931 and third roundtable conference was held in 1932, which led to form the Government of India Act 1935. In 1940 Lahore session, Jinnah represented his two-nation theory. Next, August offer and then individual satyagraha and Delhi Chalo movement began in 1941. In 1942, Cripps mission came to India and Mahatma Gandhi declared Quiet India movement. Then in 1943, Muslim League created a slogan Divide and Quiet. Next, Rajgopalachari formula in 1944 and Simla conference in 1945. Then a high-powered mission of 3 British cabinet members came to India to find a way and means for a peaceful transformation of power to India. Then Constitutional Assembly was formed. Next, Attlee Statement and last, Mountbatten Plan. These national movements finally led to achieve the independence of India. This is right now the end of the video. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.